this trim from the hood right here. Obviously this piece is broken on our vehicle, but the procedure is going to be the same. Underneath here we have 2 Phillips head screws. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver, take those screws out. Right there, and one right here. I can pop those out right now. Obviously, if you have the whole trim, you're not going to be able to do that yet. And around the rest of the trim, you're just going to have these little tabs that you can take some needle nose pliers, just squeeze the tab, just raise it up slightly. You should be able to get these all out. And then on the end, you're going to have some more screws. Use the Phillips head screwdriver again. Loosen this up. Pull that off, and then do the same on this side. And then again, some more clips. The best thing to do is take all the screws out first and then go to the clips. Slide these out. With this all cleaned up, just make sure you line it up. The 2 in the center, those 2 little prongs are going to go down. Line those up. Get everything lined up. And then just pinch it in place. Just kind of snaps down. That's good. Now take the screws. Get started in the middle. I'm just going to get them all started first. And the ones on the side. And once those are all started, we'll just tighten those down. And just snug, not too tight. Good. And you're all set.